traders look at this chart, DOGE, and this move here. So there's a lot going on, and I'm going to try to keep it short and sweet. Above these highs, we have this market up, okay, buy stops. That's hit with a vengeance. I mean, it smashed through. We've got same thing. I'll just copy and paste that. Above this high over here, these highs here, okay, these are stop losses placed above this bearish expansion, right? So these buy stops are getting wiped out. They're getting taken out. They're hit. We've also got copy and paste above every one of these value areas here that we see. The same thing again, right? These buy stops are taken out. It's trading now into this balance area here. So it's hit all this liquidity through this range with a vengeance. And it's just common sense to me that if this trades into a big liquidity pool, we've got to see it retrace, right? The equal and opposite has to happen. That's one thing. Now, the next thing is we have an imbalance, bullish. Okay, so it's one-sided trading, bullish imbalance here. Another, just picking up the candle high left and the low on the right. So we've got these imbalances. Okay, this has moved with incredible speed, guys. Okay, with a lot of momentum and volume behind. This is big money pushing this market. Big money. See this range down in here? This is the accumulation all through here, and then bam! All right, and it reaches into these levels where there's big liquidity. So what I'm getting at is it's got to, in my look, as far as I'm concerned, it's got to retrace. So I'm looking for, and I mean, I'm bullish, but I'm not going to be buying into that. And after this is traded through all of this through here, right? So there's a possibility we could see this offer a counter trend trade, but more importantly, I'm looking for this to swing low, swing high. I'm always looking at these price swings. So the price swings on the 4H are important. Let's have a look at them. Price swing low to high. Well, a little bit of a retrace. Price swing low to high. I think something like that would be more to the point. A pullback down into equilibrium. So, I mean, look at any trend, and I mean that's what you get. Let's just have a look at this bullish trend, for example. Swing low, swing high, retrace. Swing low, swing high, retrace. So it's the same thing. Swing, high, low, retrace, right? So we look for that pattern. Well, that's the retrace I'm looking for. So how to get involved with this? Well, look, you could take the risk and sell, but, you can get caught out very easily doing that. Let's just paint a little picture here. Here's a trend. I don't like to counter trend trade it. I do it occasionally, and I usually regret it. Okay. Here's a trend. You're going to make a lot more money if you buy here and you run with that, knowing that it could continue, rather than trying to make money on this move here, right? So it just makes a lot of sense that running with the trend is favorable, right? So if we consider that, I'm always looking for the 50%. 50% gives me a discount, right? So big money always buys at a discount. This price range, low, high, the discounted zone happens to be where this 50%, 36,000 down in through here. This is discounted. So I want the discount right now. Here's the thing. We go down to the 15. How do you get involved with this? Well, I'm pretty bullish, but it's got to come back down into here. Now have a look and see what we've got here on the 15-minute chart. This is important. And the same thing applies. Now there's a 4-hour swing, right? That's the 4H. But we also have swing low, swing high, retrace. Swing low, swing high, retrace, right? That we get involved here on the 15M, right? So what we're seeing here now is, in terms of the trend, higher high, lower high. Be careful. See, all through here we've had higher highs, higher lows. Now we have these higher, lower highs, and, well, is that gearing up for some continuation? That's the question. All right, so then what I'm going to be looking for will be this to trade back down into low to high on the bigger picture, this potential area down in here, but have a look and see what we've got, guys. Look, see this thin candle? That's I got the wrong drawing on there. Hang on a second. that's an imbalance that we need to be mindful of. I wanted, I've lost my drawing. There it is. Yeah. So we've got this imbalance between here and here. So this is the target, and it coincides with the 50%, 61.8 equilibrium. All right. What I'm looking for is for this to trend south, and my buy is going to be wherever it lands. It could be here, it could be higher or lower, but I'm going to be looking for this price action to play out. Now, I've got a whole system that tells me when this is doing that, and we want to get involved on the break of market structure through here. There's a break, shift in the trend here, change of character, break of structure, and then we get involved north on the retest and fail of this pullback range. Hope that's making sense. Let me just show you if I can find one. Bit of a range here, kind of. Yep, dip down a little bit, but I'm always looking for, any balance area and then a dip under and then the break of structure bullish, so when this trend here shifts gears, right? Okay, so that's what I'm going to be looking for here. And, look, there's ways to go about it, and I have a system in place that gives me all of this. You can try to play it manually, watch it, okay, but wait for this setup, guys, and then that's probably an opportunity to get long, depending. All right, so that's my take on Doge. I would love to hear your comments on this, so definitely leave a comment below, share the love, and with that, I hope you have a fantastic day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.